Across the top news headlines, doctors across Manipur joined nationwide protest to condemn horrific rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata. Nationwide doctors' protest leads to drastic reduction in services at government and private hospitals across the country. Union Health Ministry assures protesting doctors of all possible efforts to ensure their safety, urges them to resume duties in larger public interest. A very good evening. You are watching IS Prime Time English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Doctors across Manipur have joined the nationwide protest led by the Indian Medical Association IMA to condemn the horrific rape and murder of a postgraduate student from R.G. Kar Medical College in Kolkata on August 9. In a strong show of solidarity, healthcare providers in Manipur have suspended outpatient services, OPD and elective surgeries for 24 hours from 6 a.m. on Saturday to 6 a.m. on Sunday. All hospitals and healthcare centers, including RIMS, Jenims, Caesar Hospital, Raj Medicity and others, participated in the strike, which saw the withdrawal of patient care services as part of the protest. In addition to the suspension of services, doctors staged sit-in demonstrations at various hospitals and institutions across the state. During a protest at Caesar Hospital in Imphal, Dr. Deepsha Sinha, an MBBS student, expressed deep outrage over the incident, condemning it as a severe violation of individual and institutional integrity. Dr. Sinha emphasized that the incident is both alarming and unacceptable, highlighting the critical importance of ensuring the safety and security of healthcare providers who are essential to the health system and work tirelessly to save lives and improve public health. The protest reflects the widespread anger and concern among medical professionals regarding the safety of their colleagues and the need for stronger measures to protect those working in the healthcare sector.
We want justice! We want justice! No more violence! No more violence!
It's not only the problem is not only about her, but all over females of all over India that have been suffering this every day in one part of the country or the other, victim of such cases. But it is not only about our college, but it is about all the colleges all over India. We ensure security for all the females and also doctors who are doing their countless services for the welfare of the society, and for that we are doing this, and we think that the higher authorities will take actions against this thing, and we hope for justice.
We are submitting a memorandum at our own institute and also to our Chief Minister, to our Health Minister and also to the Member of Parliament. We will be submitting a memorandum to have safety at the level of institute and at the central level also.
The ongoing strike by doctors protesting the assault and death of a female trainee PG doctor at R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata has led to a drastic reduction in services at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS in New Delhi, and other major hospitals in the national capital and other states across the country. According to an official report by Medical Superintendent of AIIMS, Dr. Nirupam Madan, the hospital has seen a more than 90% decrease in outpatient department OPD consultations, admissions and operations in its theatres. While emergency services and intensive care units ICUs continue to operate normally, other critical areas of the hospital, including radiological investigations and nuclear medicine, have also experienced a sharp decline, with laboratory services witnessing an 80% reduction. Doctors from Manohar Lohia Hospital and Lady Hardin's Medical College hospitals are staging protest. Faculty members of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, have also joined the strike. Meanwhile, health services have been severely affected due to the nationwide strike called by IMA in Bihar. Medical services in government hospitals as well as private hospitals are affected due to the ongoing protests of doctors over the incident of Kolkata Medical College and Hospital. Junior and resident doctors of state medical colleges and hospitals including AIIMS, Patna are already staging protests demanding the safety of doctors at workplace and other issues. Patients are facing difficulties as emergency and OPD services has been forcibly closed in Patna Medical College and Hospital, Nalanda Medical College and Hospital and Indira Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Patna by agitating doctors. Several important operations have been deferred in Sri Krishna Medical College and Hospital, Muzaffarpur Darbhanga Medical College and Hospital, Darbhanga, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College and Hospital, Bhagalpur and Anugrah Narayan Magat Medical College and Hospital, Gaya, due to the agitation of junior and resident doctors. Medical services in other medical colleges and hospitals of the state are also crippled due to the ongoing strike. The faculty members, resident doctors, MBBS and nursing students in Negrims also joined the nationwide protest against the barbaric and gruesome gang rape murder of a second-year postgraduate student of R.G. Kar Medical College in Kolkata. Protesters requested the common people and society at large to take interest in the hardships faced by the doctors and create an optimal environment for them to provide adequate services. In connection with the recent vandalism at Kolkata's R.G. Kar Hospital, 25 individuals have been arrested. The police confirmed. The incident, which took place on August 14, saw a mob causing significant damage to the hospital campus, including the protest site, vehicles and other public property. The mob stormed the R.G. Kar Hospital campus on Wednesday night, leading to widespread damage. Security forces had to intervene to disperse the crowd, preventing further destruction. The Kolkata police, through a post on their official X account, announced the arrest, stating as of now they have made 25 arrests in relation to the vandalism at R.G. Kar Hospital on Wednesday night. The police also mentioned that 4 additional suspects were identified through social media posts and the search for other suspects continues. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee accused the left and Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) of conspiring to create unrest in the state. She alleged that those involved in the hospital vandalism were not associated with the ongoing student movement at R.G. Kar Medical College, but rather were external agitators. She remarked that they are outsiders and that she have seen videos showing some holding national flags and others with white and red flags, indicating their political affiliations. The Chief Minister also commended the police for their restraint during the chaotic events. She recounted how some officers, including a deputy commissioner and 2 officer in charges, were injured during the incident and had to be hospitalized. Banerjee expressed her gratitude towards the police for maintaining composure and not retaliating against the mob. Regarding the ongoing investigation into the rape and murder case at R.G. Kar Medical College, Banerjee emphasized that the case is now under the jurisdiction of the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). She added that if anyone has anything to say, it should be directed to the CBI. She has no objections. The brutal rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor at R.G. Kar Medical College on August 9 have sparked nationwide outrage, particularly among medical professionals. The CBI, which is leading the investigation, visited the hospital on Thursday to gather a digital blueprint of the incident. 4 doctors from the hospital have been summoned for questioning regarding the events of that night. Meanwhile, BJP today continued its attack on West Bengal government over Kolkata doctor rape and murder incident, alleging that it is acting against the people who are raising their voices against the incident. Briefing media in New Delhi, party spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla claimed that 43 doctors have been transferred by the TMC government who were raising their voices for justice. He also alleged that Kolkata police is threatening people for speaking against the incident on social media. He accused the ruling TMC of trying to seal the culprits in this case. Union Health Ministry has assured protesting doctors of all possible efforts to ensure their safety and urged them to resume their duties in the larger public interest. The ministry said a committee will be formed to suggest measures for ensuring the safety of healthcare professionals and the representatives of all stakeholders, while the state government will be invited to share their suggestions with the panel. The representatives of Federation of Resident Doctors Association, FORDA, Indian Medical Association IMA, and Resident Doctors Associations of governmental medical colleges and hospitals of Delhi have met the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare at Delhi in the aftermath of the incident against a resident doctor in RZ Kar Medical College and Hospital, Kolkata. The associations have put forth their demands regarding their concern over the safety and security of healthcare workers at the workplace. The ministry heard the demands of the representatives and assured them of all possible efforts to ensure the security of healthcare professionals. They were informed that the central government is well aware of the situation and is sensitive to their demands. The ministry said that 26 states have already passed legislation for protection of healthcare workers in their respective states. The centre also urged them to resume their duty in view of the rising cases of dengue and malaria in the country. Chief Minister N. Biren on his X handle informed that he met with the representatives of internally displaced persons and the members of Relief Committee from across the state at his secretariat. He deliberated on addressing the immediate needs and concerns of the displaced individuals and discussed long-term solutions for the rehabilitation. Manipur DGP along with his team called on MHRC Chairperson Justice UB Shah at the chamber of MHRC Chairperson and discussed prevailing human rights situation of Manipur. Justice Shah suggested various points that the Manipur police could initiate in bringing lasting peace in Manipur. DGP Rajiv Singh also informed that he has taken detailed brief from IGP Zone 1 Themtheng Ngasangwa, who accompanied the MHRC chairperson during his maiden visit to More in Tengnopal district yesterday. The discussion was attended by ADGP Ashutosh Sinha, MHRC member KK Singh along with IGP Mamta Wahengbam and MHRC Law Officer W. Vasantakumar also attended the discussion. Manipur police has refuted claims circulating on social media about an arson incident near the IG Assam Rifles South headquarters in Mantri Pukri on August 16, 2024. The police clarified on X, formerly Twitter, that the information is false, stating this is wrong information. No such incident of arson near IGAR South happened on August 16, 2024. The clarification came in response to a Facebook post that alleged a house belonging to a Naga individual identified as Mr. Ringo, the ADC chairman of Chandel district, was set on fire around 2:40 p.m. on Friday. The post claimed the house, which once belonged to a Kuki family, was deliberately burned by unidentified individuals reportedly seen near the location prior to the incident. The post further mentioned the presence of 3 men riding Royal Enfield motorcycles believed to be part of the group responsible for the arson. Manipur police asked the public to refrain from spreading unverified information that could exacerbate tensions in the region. Security forces conducted extensive search operations and area domination in the fringe and vulnerable areas of the state's hill and valley districts. The operations aim at enhancing security and curbing illegal activities led to the recovery of a substantial catch of weapons and ammunition. During the search operation in the lower Loiching Ridge area of Kangpopi district, security personnel seized a variety of arms including one 9mm pistol with a magazine, one 12-bore single-barrel rifle, one improvised 7.62mm SLR and one improvised 9mm CMG with a magazine. Additionally, 2 improvised mortars, both long and short range, were recovered along with one radio set with a charger, Baofeng or one MK3A2 grenade, one AC-36 hand grenade detonator and 2 stun shell smoke devices. The forces also confiscated 14 rounds of live ammunition and 2 mortar bombs, further strengthening their crackdown on illegal weaponry in the region. Lieutenant General Abhijit Pendharkar, the new general officer commanding the Indian Army's Spear Corps, conducted a thorough review of the internal security situation and operational readiness at the Assam Rifles formation in his recent visit to Churchandpur. Lieutenant General Pendharkar, who took command on August 10, praised the troops for their professionalism, selfless commitment and high morale, emphasizing the importance of reinforcing security measures and ensuring operational preparedness in the region. The Students' Induction and Counseling Program of Tamenglong College was conducted under the theme Igniting Your Dreams at the Multipurpose Hall of the college today. Principal Dr. Kintuizang Marenmei attended the program as the functional president and keynote speaker and 4 teachers as resource persons. According to Ngamtin Lun Tothang, who is an assistant professor in the Department of Political Science and coordinator of the program, Students' Induction Program was usually conducted at the beginning of the new semester, focusing on the first semester students alone. But this time it is being organized for all the students by broadening the topics assigned to the resource persons. Dr. Mariammai, in his keynote address, focused on the importance of co-curricular activities apart from the syllabus, as it will open new avenues for students' future careers. He appreciated students who excel in different fields including sports, music, painting and also those who choose to be part of the first NCC batch of the college. Among the resource persons, IQAC coordinator Namsurai Thomas Kamai spoke on the topic Respect, Responsibility and Accountability, and insight on students' Code of Conduct. IQAC Joint Coordinator David Zengamlong Kamai spoke on cultivating reading habit in the digital era, benefits and obstacles. Assistant Professor Dr. M.G. Liangku Wong spoke on exploring career pathways in sciences, opportunities and challenges, and Assistant Professor Daidang Tlung Kamei spoke on maintaining academic integrity and minimizing mistakes, a focus on semester examinations as part of the event. The result of the painting competition conducted on 12th August 2024 under the theme Respecting the National Flag as part of the Har Ghar Tiranga observation was declared and prizes were also distributed. Certificates were also distributed to the resource persons and participants of the induction and counseling program. NAB Manipur Police on yesterday conducted a one-day awareness program against drug at KM Blooming High Secondary School, Khangabog. The program was attended by around 700 students and teachers of the school. The awareness program was conducted to instill a sense of good conduct and damages caused by drug abuse to oneself and the society as a whole. A groundbreaking Manipuri film, Oneness, directed by Priyakanta Laishram, has been selected as the sole representative from Northeast India for the 14th Bangalore Queer Film Festival BQFF 2024. The film will have its Bangalore premiere on August 24th at Midai, the stage in Kormangla. Exploring the sensitive topic of same-sex relationships, Oneness is inspired by a tragic real-life incident that shook the region in 2013. The film met its world premiere at the Kashi's Pride Film Festival 2024 and has since garnered critical acclaim, being recognized by Elle magazine and Midday as one of the top films at the festival. The film selection for BQFF 2024 is a significant milestone for the Manipuri film industry and the LGBTQ community in the Northeast. Director Priya Kantalaishram expressed his honor at this selection, hoping the film resonates with the audience and sparks conversations about inclusivity and human rights. Producer Rosil Singla emphasized the importance of representing Northeast India on prestigious platforms and the film's potential to advance discussions on LGBTQ rights, particularly in conservative societies. Oneness is produced by Priya Kanta Productions and features a talented cast including Maya Chaudhary, Priya Kantalaishram and Suraj Ngasepam. The Bangalore Queer Film Festival will take place from August 23rd to 25th, 2024. A meeting of the Panel Expert Committee for Young Talented Artists Award was held on August 5th at NEJCC Shibulgram, Guwahati for selection of accomplished young artists for awards for the year 2022-2023. The meeting was chaired by Deputy Director of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Dharmdas Sharma. After thorough scrutiny of each applications, the committee selected 17 young talented artists for awards for the year 2022-2023 were selected. One of the 17 selected young talented artists was Manipuri folk singer Thokchom Lansana Chanu, daughter of T.H. Thauyangba Meitei, a renowned filmmaker from Manipur. At the outset, Director of NEJCC, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, welcomed the members and expressed gratitude to their valuable attendance. He briefly explained about the scheme and the selection process and financial positions and budget allocation for Young Talent Artist Award. A total of 125 applications were received from the artists hailing from the member of states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Hazarimayum Rosie Sharma has been conferred on the prestigious National Remembrance Award for her contribution and achievements in various fields. She is a commendable social worker, blood donor, young writer who has greatly contributed in humanitarian services. Rosie Sharma is also a young talent as an artist and director. Central Young Mizo Association CYMA in collaboration with Mizo Literature and Language Teachers Academy Milta in Mizoram launched training on the spoken Mizo language for internally displaced people of Manipur. The training program was inaugurated by CYMA President Lalam Chuana. The event held at Ray Hall at Aizols, Falkland was presided over by CYMA Vice President Professor Lalun Tuangla, while the organization secretary Professor Malsom Liana gave a report on the organization and the ongoing training program. Speaking on the occasion, Lalman Chuana said that learning the Mizo language was important not only for having good command over the language, but also for the unity of the Mizo tribes. He urged the internally displaced people to seriously take part in the event. Milta representative Professor C. Valnal also spoke on the occasion. At present, 250 inmates are belonging to 59 families from various districts of Manipur taking shelter at Ray Hall. The IDPs approached the CYMA regarding their desire to learn the Mizo languages, following which the CYMA signed an agreement with Milta to impart training on the spoken Mizo language. The Union Health Ministry has said that there are no reported cases of monkeypox in the country to date. In view of the World Health Organization declaring monkeypox a public health emergency of international concern, Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda reviewed the monkeypox situation and preparedness at a meeting in New Delhi today. During the review meeting, it was decided that precautionary measures be put in place to prevent and control the spread of the disease. The measures include sensitizing health units at all airports, seaports and ground crossings, readying the testing laboratories and gearing up health facilities for detecting, isolating and managing any cases. The ministry added that a joint monitoring group meeting under the chairmanship of the Director General of Health Services and consisting of experts from relevant fields was held yesterday to review the situation. The Health Ministry said that the risk of a large outbreak with sustained transmission is presently low for the country. The Health Ministry is closely monitoring the situation. During the meeting, it was noted that monkeypox infections are usually self-limiting, lasting between 2 and 4 weeks, and patients generally recover with supportive management. The ministry added that transmission requires prolonged close contact with an infected case and is generally through sexual contact, direct contact with body fluids or contaminated clothing of an infected person. The Sabarmati Express train number 19168 travelling from Varanasi to Ahmedabad experienced a derailment early this morning, resulting in 22 bogies going off the tracks. Fortunately, no injuries were reported among the passengers. The derailment occurred in a block section between Kanpur and Bhimsen station at 2:35 am. Additional District Magistrate ADM Rakesh Verma, who assessed this scene, confirmed that all passengers were safely evacuated. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw provided further details, indicating that the train's engine struck an object placed on the track, leading to the derailment. Indian Railways responded swiftly, dispatching buses to this site to facilitate the safe transfer of passengers to Kanpur. Railway officials, including DRM Jhansi Division Deepak Kumar, confirmed that passengers have been safely returned to Kanpur via buses and a relief train. Another train has been arranged in Kanpur to transport the passengers to their final destinations in Ahmedabad. India Meteorological Department IMD has forecast enhanced rainfall over eastern and central parts of the country for the next 6 days. The IMD said under the influence of low pressure area over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining West Bengal and its likely intensification, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya till 22nd of this month. The Weather Department said that isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka for the next 2 days. Meanwhile, the Hyderabad Met Center has issued a yellow alert for Hyderabad and surrounding districts for next 2 days. Ball Badminton Association Manipur BBAM is organizing a trial cum selection for participation in the 43rd Sub-Junior National Ball Badminton Championship 2024 for boys and girls to be held at Rohtak in Haryana from 25th to 29th September 2024. This was informed in a press release issued by BBAM General Secretary T.H. Tomba Singh. The release further added that interested players who were born on or after 2nd January 2009 will be eligible in the trial cum selection test for the said championship. All the affiliated institutions, clubs, units have also been informed to send their players for the trial cum selection to be held at Nailit at Imphal East District's Akampat from 18 to 23rd August from 5:30 am to 8 am. It also added that players who fail to report within the stipulated time will not be entertained. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Doctors across Manipur joined nationwide protest to condemn horrific rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata. Nationwide doctors' protest leads to drastic reduction in services at government and private hospitals across the country. And Union Health Ministry assures protesting doctors of all possible efforts to ensure their safety, urges them to resume duties in larger public interest. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching IS News and good night.